biggest things Butler has done for me is place everything in perspective. Before I came here, the world seemed huge and terrifying, but Butler made it possible to be brave, to conquer my fears like traveling to faraway places, applying to college, and public speaking. The world doesn't have to seem so big and scary. Take the world a footstep at a time and you can go anywhere. In the second to last week of my high school career, so a couple days ago, I was sitting in the shade with my Chromebook. The weather was perfect and a yellow butterfly came to visit me. From where I started to where I ended up, I feel that I have found the happy ending. Lastly, if there are parents or staff who were here last year, I mentioned in my last speech how I used to feel like a blade of grass. But when I moved to Butler, I felt like a flower on a tree. My time at Butler has come to an end, and a flower must fall from its tree. But this is not where the story ends. It will sprout a new tree from the ground, from all the lessons learned in happy collective days. Thank you, Butler Montessori, for changing my life in the best way possible. I promise to keep growing, and I promise to do so much in my life. Thank you.